Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover internal CSS. When we write CSS in the head section inside style opening and closing tag, then it is called internal CSS. In Sublime Text Editor, first we will create a new HTML file. We will click on file, then new file. To save the file, we will click on file, then save. File name internal css.html. In the HTML file, we will type less than symbol, then HTML, and on suggestion display, we will press enter key in the keyboard. This will generate the boilerplate code of an HTML file. Title internal CSS. To open the file in the browser, we will go to the location where we have saved the HTML file. We will right click in the HTML file, then open with Google Chrome. You could select any other browser also. In the HTML file, we have created one div and two page elements, and in them we are using inline CSS. The disadvantage of inline CSS is that it is restricted to only one HTML element. We cannot reuse them. For example, if we have to apply same style in 3 HTML elements, then we will have to rewrite it 3 times in 3 HTML elements. We write internal CSS in the head section inside style opening and closing tag. The CSS we write inside the style tag, to which HTML element it will apply is dependent on the selector name and selector type. There are different types of selectors. For example, ID selector, class selector, element based selector, descendant selector, etc. To write a class selector, we need to write dot, then selector name, then opening and closing curly brackets, and inside it we need to write CSS properties and their corresponding values. The class selector will apply to all the HTML elements which use the selector name inside the class attribute. We have created 2 more class selectors, and we are applying the class selectors in the div element class attribute separated by white space. On refreshing the page, we could see the style applying to the HTML elements. To create an ID selector, we need to use the hash symbol, then selector name, then opening and closing curly brackets, and inside it we need to write CSS properties and their corresponding values. We could apply one ID selector to only one HTML element in an HTML page. To apply ID selector, we need to write the ID selector name in the HTML element ID attribute. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.